So who's ready for an easy griddle meal? If so, this one's for you. I feel like sometimes on the griddle it turns into a big production, right? You've got to have fried rice, or you're doing stir-fried veggies, or even smash burgers can turn into a whole thing. This is an easy one. Once everything's chopped up, you just throw it on the griddle, add a couple of seasoning ingredients, and you're good to go. So let's get after it. So the ingredients for this meal are pretty simple. We start with some smoked sausage. You can choose any smoked sausage you like. We prefer Roger Wood smoked sausage because it's very mild and the kids really like it because there's no kick to it. We also add some purple onions. I slice them up pretty thin. We use bell peppers. Tonight we just happen to only have red, but sometimes we do red, orange, yellow. But you can load it up with as many bell peppers as you like. And then tonight I'm also adding broccoli. You can really add any veggies you want. Sometimes we add mushrooms. Just tonight this is what we were going with. All right, so you saw we've got everything chopped up, ready to go. As I said, this is an easy one. We're gonna start with some olive oil. And now we're just gonna add all of these chopped up sausage and veggies all at once. And we're off to the races. Now that we've got our sausage and our veggies going on the griddle, we're gonna add Italian seasoning, and that's it. So the only other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a basting cover just to help soften up the veggies. Our sausage and veggies are good to go. We're going to take it inside and make us a plate. So not only is this a delicious meal, but it's also a beautiful meal. Lots of colors going on, and let's give it a shot. You get some sausage, and onion, and broccoli all in one bite. It's so good and it's so simple. Like I said, don't let griddling every time turn into a big production number. It can be something simple and easy like this. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and thanks for watching.